So guys and brothers and Hot Wheels characters and sisters, if you're watching this video, you might probably not know about this car, the 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator, and the brand of it. So if you're in for that, stay tuned till the end of the video. I will let you know the complete details. But for now, on the left corner of the ring we have a 69 Mercury Eliminator, and on the right side of the ring we have a 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. Okay, same guys, but in different color. Same but different. You get that? Okay, let's start. So this was an earlier casting. I got it in June, I guess. I have not opened it yet. I don't know, maybe coincidentally, or call it a coincidence, that I had it on waiting, and I got this one also. So now I'll open these both. So first come first, this one I will have to use the knife. I'm missing my knife. So if you haven't checked out the previous 3 episodes, this is the 4th episode. If you haven't checked out the 3 episodes, do check it out. I haven't used the knife there, so just check it out how that one goes. And if you've already checked the videos, then it's great. Thank you for watching. Right, so let's cut these bad boys open. So now Mercury Eliminator are muscle cars. Okay, the build, the silhouette of these cars look amazing. So first up we have this one. Wow, the base looks metal, but it is not, it is plastic. It says 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. Oh wow, what did I tell you? Dude, this looks amazing. This is not the blue color that you're seeing. Actually, it is kind of teal color. The camera is not able to justify that. I'm really sorry. So wow, oh my god, this is crazy. This is misaligned as well, but still. So okay, this is a muscle car. It comes in such a beautiful livery. Okay, it says Eliminator right here. It says Cougar, and it also has the Hot Wheels badging right here. You have the 5-spoke wheels and with silver rims. You have the rare details embossed and the Cougar logo here. Yeah, you can see the Cougar logo, I think almost you can see that. Okay, you can see the exhaust details. Very nice. You have the spoiler as well, integrated spoiler. We have the details on the hood and on the top, that black stripe, smoked glasses, and we have the black interiors. Definitely my favorite from this case, whichever case it was. Next up we have this one. Yeah, this color is exact color that you are seeing in the video right now. I don't know why there's an issue with Pixel phones and Samsung phones, that they are not able to produce the teal color properly. Okay, so we have this one. Wow, look at that. So this has the same base as well. We have the chassis details on both of these, thanks Hot Wheels. So we have 5-spoke wheels on this one as well, with silver alloys and rims. This looks so cool, and this has some shine to it, metallic sort of green color. Same details, I need not to repeat that, right? Just let me give it your 2x view. Right, awesome detailings, and this time it's aligned. Here it was not. So these are two beautiful cars. Let's do a roll test quickly before you get bored enough. Did you not? Okay, both of them roll very nicely. So now let's talk about these cars. Okay. So Mercury Cougar is an automobile manufactured by Mercury division of the Ford Motor Company. Yes, you heard it right. These are manufactured by Ford Motor Companies. Okay, Ford Motor Company. And the production of these cars started in 1967 and it went on until 2002. The first generation of the Cougar was manufactured between 1967 and 1970 as a more luxurious version of the Ford Mustang. Now you can see the Mustang silhouette and the muscle element on this cars. Okay, it looks pretty brilliant, doesn't it? So that is there. So the Cougar Eliminator is a high performance variant of the Cougar. The name was inspired by the 1968 Cougar Eliminator funny car driven by Dino Don Nicholson and built as a conjunction to the Boss 302 Mustang. The engine choices were 351 cu in V8 producing 290 horsepower, but 390 cu in 320 horsepower and 428 cu in 335 horsepower engines were also available. The Eliminator also came offered with a hood scoop and a rear wing. Okay, you can see the hood scoop here, right, and the rear wing as well. Cool. So 2250 Cougar Eliminators were made for the year 1969. That was crazy. In 2014, the spoiler was cast into the metal body. Right. And in Hot Wheels world, this first came out in 2009 as 2000 new model series. Okay, and the designer of this car is Rob Mathis. Great job, Rob, and awesome job by Hot Wheels making these cars such beautiful. And was it a wow factor or not for you guys to know that these cars are made by Ford? For me, it was a wow factor when I studied about these cars. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So this was the conclusion of episode 4, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy collecting and happy life. Stay tuned for the last episode. I think it's the 5th one, probably the last. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and if you have missed on the previous 3 episodes, do watch them as well.